Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to open another web page without closing your current one. In Google Chrome, you can easily open a new tab to browse multiple websites at the same time. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open a new tab in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then select New tab. A fresh tab will open immediately, and you can start typing a new web address or search query. You can also tap the tab switcher icon, the square box with a number next to the three dots. Then tap the plus button to open a new tab even faster. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.